Welcome to The Explainer. We're here to break down complex topics into simple visual guides.
Well, a new VS Code feature is making that a reality, giving your AI agents a serious upgrade. It's called an agent skill. Think of it like a playbook for your AI to handle specialized tasks. This means less repetition and workflows built exactly the way you work. It's all about personal automation.
All right, let's actually build one. It's way easier than you might think.
You just enable the feature in Settings, create a folder, and add a simple skill.md file inside. And just like that, the agent now gets your unique process for writing, say, a product requirement document.
So now when you ask it to write a PRD, it knows exactly what skill to grab.
It automatically finds your custom skill and just follows the steps you already laid out for it.
Okay, but what about something more complex? Let's look at a real-world example, image manipulation. So, say you've got a skill for ImageMagick, and you give the agent this simple, clear request. That skill just kicks in, finds the right tools, and runs all those complex commands for you. It's completely automatic.
You might be wondering, wait, how is this different from the custom instructions I already use? Good question.
The biggest difference? Skills are dynamic. They're all about action, and they only load when you need them. Right, so they're not just text. They bring real automation, scripts, and other resources to the table. And here's the best part. They're built on an open standard. This is a really big deal. It means any skill you create can be used across all kinds of different agents and platforms. So you're basically building your own specialized toolkit that follows you everywhere you code. Pretty cool, right?
This really changes the game. So, the only question is, what are you going to automate first?